Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about the political services of Shah Waliullah, that how Shah Waliullah provided different political services to the Muslim community in general and to Mughal Empire in specific. If you remember, in our last lesson we learned about the religious services of Shah Waliullah. If I can recall those services for you quickly, the first, he himself presented as a role model to Muslim community, and he worked very hard to present himself as a role model, a true Muslim role model to be emulated. Secondly, he translated the Holy Quran into Persian language so that larger number of Muslims could understand the meaning of the Quran. And thirdly, he wrote 51 books on Islamic teachings. Among 51, 28 were written in Persian language so that more and more Muslims could understand the Islamic principles and Islamic teachings. Among the 51 books, two were very prominent: Hajjatul Baligha and Izalatul Akhfa. He also wrote an account of first four caliphs of Islam in such a way that could be acceptable to Shias and Sunni, and he hoped that this would help to heal the division between Shias and Sunnis, and they can concentrate more on the basic principles of Islam. These were his religious services. Now let me tell you about his political services which he offered to Muslim community in general and to Mughal Empire in specific. Uh, it was a very critical time for Mughal Empire. From 1750 to 1761, it was extremely critical time, not only for the Mughal Empire but also for whole of the India. And this was the time when the Mughal Empire for a short period of time was abolished from Delhi. Then it was actually the effort of Shah Waliullah that Mughal Empire was restored in 1761. During this time, the incompetency and incapability of the Mughal rulers proved to be disastrous not only for the Mughal Empire itself but also for the Muslim community in general. While the Marhattans from the south, Marhattans was a community, a Hindu community which was ruling the area of Deccan, and Marhattans remained a constant trouble for the Mughal Empire. Mughals could not subdue them throughout their rule, and they made different alliances with them to subdue them. But they kept winning the areas from Mughal Empire. But during this time, in 1754, they actually overruled the Delhi, and they were threatening the Mughal Empire at that time, and Mughal kings were fighting with each other for a throne which had lost all its glory and pride. Mughal rulers fell prey to internal intrigues to overthrow each other. Such miserable condition was that Jahandar Shah, who was assassinated on the orders of his own chief minister, and the next ruler in line, Shah Alam II, refused even to come to Delhi and preferred to stay in Bengal. During this time, Shah Waliullah played important role that he organized opposition to Marhattans. He realized that Muslims had to be united to face this threat, and he wrote many letters to the Muslim nobles calling on them to join together to save the Mughal Empire. Unfortunately, Muslims did not listen to his advice and remained aloof from each other. Marhattans during this time not only overran the Delhi but also captured Lahore for a short period of time. Shah Waliullah, dejected by this, turned to Ahmad Shah Abdali, who was a strong Afghan king. Shah Waliullah wrote letters to Ahmad Shah Abdali and convinced him to come to India to rescue the Muslims from this miserable condition. It was actually on his persuasion that Ahmad Shah Abdali came to Delhi and defeated Marhattans at the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761 and restored Mughal Empire. Now this is very important. Dear students, you have to remember the fact that the Third Battle of Panipat 1761. Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Marhattans at Battle of Panipat, which was fought in 1761. Date and the name of the battle, and second, it was fought between Marhattans and Ahmad Shah Abdali, who was Afghan king. So these were his political services to Muslims in general, and political services to Mughal Empire in specific. It was actually his efforts that Mughal Empire, which was abolished in 1754, was restored back in 1761 after the Battle of Panipat. Remember these facts. These are very important. If a question comes in exam, that write a note on political services of Shah Waliullah, then you have to write these two political services. One was he wrote letters to all Muslim nobles and kings to get united against the Marhattans, who were threatening to overrun the Mughal empires. Second, it was actually the Shah Waliullah's efforts that Ahmad Shah Abdali came to India and rescued the Mughal Empire, which was abolished by the Marhattans at Third Battle of Panipat in 1761. Remember these facts, and in the meantime, you have to read about this on page number 6 of your book. Page number 6 of your book. Do read it. Reading, as I have already told you, is very important. You cannot learn all these facts and figures without reading by your own self. Do read it.